Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to enable the optimized page load feature in your Simplebooklet. This setting helps speed up the loading time for larger booklets by only loading the pages that are currently in view, giving your readers a smoother experience. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Advanced button. Now we're just going to go ahead and make sure that the optimized page load option is toggled on. Now that it's enabled, only the 3 pages that are currently being viewed will load at any given time. As your readers navigate through the booklet, other pages will load dynamically, ensuring a smooth and responsive experience. Your changes are saved automatically. With optimized page load enabled, your Simplebooklet will load faster and provide a smoother reading experience for your audience. Enabling the optimized page load feature enhances the attention and immersion stages of the reader's journey. Faster load times help readers start engaging with your content immediately and keep them focused, reducing interruptions and encouraging them to explore your booklet more thoroughly. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.